Hello guys, my name is Braden. I'm one of the registered physical therapists at Easthill Physiotherapy and Acupuncture. And today guys, what I want to show you is a great exercise for those of you that are having low back pain. Especially anyone that has any disc issues like disc bulge or herniations, anybody that's having that sciatic pain go down into their buttock or into their leg. So it's called a prone press up. So with this one, what you're going to need is just a nice space either on the floor, on a bed, on a couch, anything that's that level. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto your stomach. And with this one, the technique, you're going to try to arch up your back, kind of like a baby seal. What you don't want to do is you don't want to use your back and your glute muscles. They kind of want to just be passive and you want to let them just go for the ride. You're going to use your arms in front of you and just trying to push up and keeping the back nice and soft. So you can go up into that position, hold it for about 5 seconds, come on back down, and then do it again, and come on back down. And it's not necessarily so much about how high up you're able to get as just doing that position. So what we want to see with this, guys, is that pain that's going down into the buttock or the leg, it should help centralize it, meaning we want to see it kind of work its way out of the foot, work its way up the knee into the butt, and then centralize in the low back. Sometimes when that happens, it will get a little bit more sore in the low back, but you won't have that numbness, tingling, or zinging zapping down into your leg. So that's super helpful for those of you that are having disc issues, okay? A little variation for those of you that find this very difficult and your back is in a lot of pain. A little trick you can do, take a pillow, put it right underneath of your hips. And this will help offload that a little bit. You can do it a little bit easier to start and you won't have to work into it so much. So you can start in that position. So with this one, you want to be doing this every day, probably multiple times a day. I would do it kind of morning, afternoon, night. And I would want to do those press ups at least 10 times and kind of progress as you go from there. And then hold them for 5 seconds. So that is the prone press up.